Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to do task 2, the activity phone vocabulary. So when you open task 2, you will see this page. You need to scroll down and then click on enter. As you can see on the left side here, there are 4 parts into this activity. By going and clicking on each part, you can go to the next part. So the first part is telephone terminology, telephone vocabulary. It's like a matching activity. You read the sentence, then you click on the drop-down menu, and then you choose your answer. So the first one is the amount of time spent talking on a cell phone. You click here, and you find the answer. The answer to that, the vocabulary we use for that sentence is airtime. So airtime is the amount of time spent talking on a cell phone. When you've answered all the sentences, when you found all the vocabulary here, you click check here to check how many correct answers you've got. And then when you're finished, you can do 2 things to go to the next activity. You can scroll down and click on this right arrow here, or you could just simply click on the second part here on the left-hand side of your page. So when you click here, there's another activity. So it's more vocabulary about telephone, and it's the same as the previous activity. You read the sentence, the phrase, and then you find the vocabulary that matches this sentence. Click on the third part. Don't forget to check your answers. Again, so what you do, you read this, click on the drop-down menu, and then find the vocabulary that's related to this sentence. And finally, click on the last part. Now, this is a puzzle. So what you need to do is that when you, for example, when you click on one down, when you click here, then you will see the cue. So it says a blank tone is the sound a phone makes when somebody's calling. So when someone calls you, what do we call that sound that you can hear on your phone? It's a what tone? So you can write your answers here. It's a ringtone. And then when you click enter, now you can see your answers. So do the same with the other numbers. So 2 down, 3 across, 5 and 5 down, 7 across. So if you just click here, then you can see the sentence, and then you write your answer here, and then you click enter. Finally, you can check your answers. So this is what you need to do to be able to finish task 2. Okay, thank you everyone.